Okay, if you're going to go in and access your Carl Perkins grant for CTE, some things have changed. They've kind of reworked the system a little bit, and so it looks a little differently than it has looked in years past. So if you go to the teal login page and go ahead and log in, and then you'll go ahead and choose your user ID, and then it will show which applications you have access to. Now the Perkins grant application is in eGrants, so you want to choose eGrants Production. When it comes up here, you'll just click OK on that little button, and then this is where it looks a little differently than it has in years past. What you're going to do is you're going to go up and along this row right here is you're going to hover over grants, and then you will either go down to apply for eligible grants or possibly grants in process. If you haven't been in here yet and haven't accessed anything for your Perkins grant, you will go down and click on that apply for eligible grants, and you see right here right now we have all of our grants in process, and so we don't have any that we have not accessed. Whatever grants you have not accessed will show up right here. So when I look for grants in process, that one comes up. So I go to my Carl Perkins grant. The first thing you will do is submit the applicant designation form. This is where you tell TEA that you will either be applying on your own. If your allocation is $15,000 or greater, then your district can apply on its own for the Perkins grant. If your allocation is less than $15,000, then you must join as a member of an SSA or apply as a member of an SSA. And then when you do that, you will have a drop-down menu where you will get to choose your fiscal agent. Of course, we would appreciate it if you choose Region 7, but you're always free to choose whichever fiscal agent you want to handle your Perkins monies. And then you will go ahead and fill out all the contact information and submit that. But that is the first step, is submitting that applicant designation form. If you are joining an SSA and you fill that out, send it in, you're done. Then it's up to the SSA administrator to handle everything else. So that's how you would access your Perkins grant for 2018-19. A little bit differently than years before. Hopefully this will help. If you have any other questions, please give me a call, 903-988-6810.